Okay, so this is a smart security camera, and so as you can see, it's got this large backing, and you can use this to mount it. So it comes with all the supplies needed to mount your camera on the wall. And so whenever you mount it, it can look around like this. It has a wide range of motion. It can look all the way up and all the way down and side to side. It connects to your Wi-Fi so that you can have live streaming from the camera to your phone, and you can also hear live audio from the camera to your phone. It also has human detection on it so that it will detect humans and notify you on your phone. It also has LED lights so that you can see at nighttime. The camera also has this little slot for an SD card so that it can save and record audio and video so that you can go back and watch it later.